Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn off dark mode on Instagram. In this full guide, we will show you the steps to switch back to the regular Instagram interface. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Step 3. Tap the 3 lines at the top to access the Instagram menu. Step 4. Scroll down to accessibility in the menu. Step 5. Tap dark mode to access the dark mode settings. Step 6. Select off to turn off dark mode and return to the default light theme. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable dark mode on Instagram and return to the default light theme. Enjoy a brighter and more vibrant Instagram experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative guides. Stay tuned for our next video.